Have you ever struggled to find the right data in a large Excel sheet? Today, I'll show you how to master sorting and filtering to organize your data like a pro. Well, you are welcome to Jobit Academy. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, give us your comment, like this video, and kindly share for others to also benefit. So now, what is sorting? Sorting helps organize your data in a meaningful order. Now, I'm going to show you how to do the sorting. So first of all, you need to select the cell or the column that you want to sort. So I want to sort column B. So I'll select the column B, then select any of the sorting options. But make sure you are under data. So you click on data and the data tab, then you go to this section, the sort and filter section. So you have the first one, A to Z, which is what the ascending order, that's the lowest to the highest, and then Z to A is the descending order. So any of them that you want, you can just select. So if I select A to Z, so it will prompt you to either expand the selection or continue with the current selection. But in this particular lesson, you're not going to change anything, just maintain this one and then click on sort. You see that it will sort for you based on the criteria you set here. So all these things will also change for you. So that is sorting. Now the next thing is filter. So what is filtering? Filtering helps you to display only the data that you need, the kind of data that you need. It will help you to display that one alone. So this is what you're going to do. We still go to data. So on the data tab, you see this filter under the sort and filter group. So click on the filter, but before that you need to click anywhere on the sheet, anywhere on the data set. You click on the filter, and you're going to see that the headers will have a small arrow next to them. So it now depends on you, the kind of data that you want to display. So let's start from product name. So product name, you select, click on the arrow, and you're going to see that there are all the list of products that you have. So which of the products you want to display? So first of all, you need to untick the select all and then come and then select the kind of product that you want to display. Maybe you want to display the backpack and the coffee maker only. That's the only product you want to display. So you click on those two products, then you click on OK. So you're going to see that only these two products will filter for you. That is the filtering. So you can also base your filter. You can release your filter by selecting all and then go. It will now return back to the normal. You can also use filter on your customers, the kind of customer that you have. So maybe you want to check whether this particular customer bought this product or that. So you can select any of the customer, then you click on OK. So it will filter the product that particular customer bought. So that is how the filter is done. Basically, you also have other ways of filtering. That is filtering and sorting. That is the advanced way. So let me send you to this sheet. Now in this sheet, you see that I have colored some cells. With these cells, you can use that one also to filter, or you can use that one to sort. Now let's go to this section. So under the tab and the data tab, let's go to sort. So under this section, we are not going to click on these two sorting icons, but we are going to click on the main sorting icon. So just click on the sorting icon here. Good. Now to send it to this window, the sorting window. So how do you want to sort? So maybe I want to sort based on column B, column C, column D, any of the column that you want to select. So that's the column selection. So you click on the arrow and then select the column that you want to use to sort. So I want to, because I've colored the product name, so I want to use the product name column. So I'll then come and select the product name column here. Then on which base do you want to sort? I'm going to sort on the coloring, the cell that have the color. That is what I want to display. So I'll go to the arrow here and then select based on what color. So cell color. So you can see you have cell values, you have cell font colors, you have conditional formatting. You can use any of them to do your sorting. But on this video, I'm going to use the color cell. So you can see that after click on the color cell or the cell color, so there will be an additional uh, drop boxes or drop menus here. So you see that the first one is where you're going to add or you're going to select the color. So you just click on this one. Then say, you can see that there's only one color that applies. So the only color will be here. You just click on this one to select the color for you. Where do you want this the sorting to be the numbers sorry, the rows with the colors to be? You want to be at the top or at the bottom of your data set? I want to be at the top, so you just maintain the top and then click on OK. You will see that it will sort the products with what, with the colors. Okay, so now you know how to sort and filter like a pro. Now try it out and let me know in the comment section. And if you find it helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips.